Mr. Rangel's recognized.
This outrage is not Democrat and Republican. It involves the credibility of government as relates to American citizens. Now, the president has indicated outrage. You have indicated outrage. So I would assume that we're on the same side in trying to determine how did this happen, who was responsible for it, how far did this cancer go, how quickly can we cut it out so that tens of thousands of IRS employees have the stigma of corruption taken away from them. That you, Mr. Miller, who is a career employee, don't have to explain to your kids and friends that you are not involved in a scandal, that all of the people that serve the government, it's too late for the Congress, but it's not too late for the government to try to get its reputation cleaned up for America. People are losing confidence in our government, and I hope that you feel the same sense to find out what caused this, how it could happen, and help us to restore the confidence that Americans should have in their government.
All right, thank you.
I yield the balance of my time.
Thank you. Mr.